Welcome to another exciting chapter in the transformation of Limassol Greens. This is our latest construction update video. Right in front of the clubhouse, the driving range is taking shape, soon to be home to cutting-edge TrackMan technology, ready to elevate every swing. The clubhouse itself is buzzing with progress, with works in full speed ahead for its grand summer completion. Come October, it will proudly welcome the very first players into a new golfing era. Over at the Robin Apartments, Robin West is in its final stretch, with detail work and landscaping nearly complete, just 2 months away from handover. Robin East is not far behind, following closely for a July delivery. Our villas are also nearing completion, and it's easy to picture the breathtaking views their residents will soon enjoy, stretching across the lake and fairways. Speaking of views, the greens are turning a vibrant shade of lush as the golf course flourishes into life. Landscaping is in full motion, adding texture and color to every hole. From hole 1, the panoramas of the lake are nothing short of spectacular. Further along, holes 10, 11, and 12 are being prepped for their final touches, while holes 13 to 15, with their more natural, link-style character, are now being grassed. It's all happening, and it's happening fast. The vision is coming alive before our eyes, and with every new milestone, the anticipation builds. Limassol Greens is getting ready. Are you?